Hi everybody, it's Mark here from Alfresco Exterior Cleaning, and thanks for joining us on today's video. Now today we're going to be discussing glass restoration. So you may have a home or a commercial property that over a period of time you have a lot of mineral deposits building up on that glass. That can be through the sun beating against a southern window. It could be a overflow pipe that's stripped down over a window. It can be a multitude of things. So here at Alfresco, we're going to talk through how to restore glass. So you might be wondering why you would need to do this to your glass. Well, maybe it's your patio door, which has got a stain of mineral deposits coming through. You might be in an office where there's been a build-up of minerals on the glass, or it could be part of a dilapidation project. So you might be moving out of your particular commercial property and you've got to reinstate it to its original condition. We're going to use a white non-abrasive pad with our powder to remove all of the mineral deposit buildup. So what we're going to do, we're going to work it into a loose paste over the glass, working in circular motions, making sure that we go across the whole of the glass. Just to make sure, we can then also do a cross application over the glass as well. Once we've done that part of it, what we can do is just take our normal window cleaning squeegee and just then remove the residue. If we then find that we've still got some of the mineral deposits on there, we can reapply. It's almost a apply, apply, apply until it's all gone. As you can tell, it's quite a warm day today here at Alfresco, here in Kingston Bagpues, Oxfordshire. So it's drying out pretty quickly, especially for a November day. So always work quickly. If it does dry, you can just reapply more water. So as you can see now, all of those deposits have been removed, and now the window looks almost like brand new finish. This will also then give a slight hydrophobic coating to the glazing as well, so that when it does rain on it, it's now more likely to bead and run off the window. If you'd like to know more information about the services that we offer here at Alfresco Exterior Cleaning, please visit the website at alfrescoec.co.uk or give us a call on 0333 567 2727. Thanks for joining us today.